morning. Good morning. Guys, we're crazy. Oh my gosh, you guys want to hear the message from my godson?
Nisha, pull the chair off my wall.
Let me play. Dang, why am I so up? Mom, why do you let her?
I'm in front. I'm in front. Alright, what about that with Theo? With Theo.
Son hot man.
Let me play the music. I mean the music. The message from my godson.
Say no. I love you. You can say Lord. I love you.
Thanks.
Yes.
Eh? So thank you for the things. Thank you for the things.
Right,
Yes.
The choose one's pretty as it could. I love you more, Gio. You're welcome. I'll see you soon.
Gio's not easy. Alicia, so what are you doing for this early morning?
Looking food to eat.
Mom, what are you doing for this early morning? Where's mommy?
I put my on camera.
Do you see how I look? Lord have mercy. Guys, mom just gave me breakfast. Look what it is. Breadfruit, callaloo, plantain, and fish. Leash?
Yes.
Are you excited for breakfast?
Mm-hmm.
Mom, this is a lot. Yeah, it's a lot.
Eat the full of belly. The fun of the mouth, I'm a little fat.
Yo, she's nuts.
Hey.
Thank you, God. Let me say my prayer. Nisha, look at that big ass piece of bread.
Tap show them my food.
It's not like you have to share. Call grandma.
If one.
What are you saying, you? Guys, we are going to Lucy. Leash is here. Where's Leash? Are you gonna say good morning, or did you already say good morning?
Good morning, my people, my people, my people.
Give them the word of the day.
580.
Give them a word of the day to my girl.
Stay focused. Think positive. No negativity.
I said a word.
Oh.
Give them a word. And then use it in a sentence for them.
I don't know.
Pick on a word.
I don't know.
Sophia, make Nisha turn an idea.
Lisa, give the people a word now, my girl. Give the people
Me
a
don't
word.
know, man. Leave me alone.
Give them a word now.
Leave me alone.
You know I was gonna give you some money and buy you something.
How much money I give me?
Nothing. Leave me alone. Okay, leave me alone. Guys, we're gonna go to Lucy. At least I should wear my glasses.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me wear my glasses because I'm out here wilding, girls. Wilding. So anyways, we're gonna go to Lucy. I'm waiting for mommy and Leash. And yeah, that's it. My cousin just came. I didn't even get him on camera, but he just came. And that is it. That is it. Okay. All right. Peace out. A-Town down. Catch the beat. Oh, catch the beat. Oh, catch the beat. God, they must say these girls are crazy. Guys! Yes.
You mad? With me, I'm going to idiot.
Yes. Guys, we're going to Lucy. We're waiting for mom. You're going to be late for work. When you're late for work, what happens? You get fired?
Listen.
Linda, listen.
No motherfucker can tell me what to do. I do my own fucking shit. I go to work when I feel like. If you fucking say something to me, I tell you, fuck you. Fuck
What?
you.
Is she a lunatic or is she a lunatic?
Listen,
look at Let me tell you what's going on. So it's an exciting time. I'm releasing my first merch. And I'm releasing a set of bonnets. By the time you see this video, they will be released. They are Makeda K bonnets. I will put like a better picture in the screen, but guys, go on over.
Hold it.
It's my bonnet. She just sent me a picture of it.
Listen, somebody other one?
No, the people that make it.
Oh my god, so
They
cute.
just shipped it to me.
Want one?
And you didn't want me to bring them.
I want this.
Dirty wine, my girl, dirty wine. My girl, dirty wine. Hey, if you have your own money, step up, me girl. Step up, me girl. Step up, me girl.
Hey,
hey. Junga bong the jingle, junga bong the jingle, junga bong the no no bong, junga bong no ni no no. Ay, oh yeah. Yo, guys. Me and Leisha, Lord.
oh my god.
You're gonna be tired by the time you go to work. Oh my god. Girl, I'm sweating. Are you sweating?
I don't want the cream on my face.
I'm sweating. Anyways, guys. And guys, Leisha's cream is on my website as well. Alright, guys. I'm gonna let you guys go. Adios. Adios. Leisha's leaving to go to work. Lord have mercy. Bye, Leisha.
Bye. See you later.
Bye. Wish I could have came to Lucy with you, but mom is not ready.
Your mother is a hot mess.
She's a hot girl.
Hot mess.
Living in a hot world.
I'm feel shiny, man. Later.
Bye. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Adios. I hope your clothes are ready. Guys, alright. I look a mess. Guys, we are going into Lucy Town. Going into Lucy Town. My aunt just left. She said that we would make her late for work, so she left us. Not that we were waiting for her, but I was waiting for her. And yeah, so we're gonna go into the town. I want to get an ice and what is it? Sky juice. I want to get a sky juice and yeah. Bye, guys. You want some? We're in the grocery store. I got a sky juice. So why are you telling me like this? They say I'm your daughter. Say hello, mommy. I don't want no more. My belly's about to burst. Guys, we just came back from Lucy. I had a sky juice. My belly feels like it's about to bust. Where's that music coming from? You hear it? Oh, feels like it's about to bust. Finefoot's coming to, I don't even know why he's coming, but he's coming. He's gonna make a cameo. And we're just relaxing, chillaxing. So I'll see you guys in a second. Guys, look how I look. I took a nap. My mom's friend came over and she was talking and I was out cold. I fell asleep. I woke up at 4 this morning. I don't know why I woke up so early, but I was knocked out. I was like, my mom just made me a fruit shake. Let me show you guys.
Men or women, boys or girls.
It was so nice. Alright, guys. I'll see you in a bit. Yo, I passed out so fast. Maybe I'm dropsy or something because I fell asleep too fast. Anyways, bye guys. Guys, so I just came in. I'm eating dinner. Guys, I was sleeping again. I have fish, kalaloo, vegetables, and rice. I don't eat meat, so that's why I'm eating a lot of fish. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because after that I'm gonna shower and go to bed or just chill out with my mom. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow.